Right, so today we're going to do a really simple, quick midweek meal. Nice, fresh, light pasta recipe. You can throw it together in pretty much the time it takes the pasta to cook, and this is how you do it. So we're going to start off by prepping up the tomatoes. I've got a mixture of mixed vine tomatoes, I've got some plum tomatoes. You could use cherry tomatoes, use whatever you like or whatever you can get a hold of. I've got about 500 grams here. All we're going to do is just cut them in half. The reality is it probably takes longer to cut the tomatoes in half than it does to actually cook them. The ordeal's over. It's like running a marathon, that was. Get them all into the bowl. I've got a half a chilli. If you want to tame down the heat a little bit, you can just remove the seeds. I'm just going to cut through that. Just chop it up finely. I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic for this. But again, add more or less to your own taste. And there we go, that's everything prepped. It's time to start cooking. So first things first, we're going to get our pasta onto boiling, some salty boiling water, and pretty much the length of time it takes the pasta to cook, everything else should be coming together nicely. We're going to be using about 400 grams of pasta. So drop of oil into the pan. It's a fairly low heat, this is. We don't want to go too hot. Add in the tomatoes. Gonna add in the chilli. And all of the garlic too. Pinch of salt in there. And we're just gonna let these soften gently now, just while that pasta's cooking. So these have only been going for just 2 minutes, and you'll already see, just gently press them down. Tomatoes are already starting to soften. All we want to do is just want to press them all down gently. You'll see it almost forms its own sauce. So these tomatoes have probably been going 7 or 8 minutes, and you'll see they're all nicely cooked down. They've created their own sauce, and this is what you're looking for. So this sauce is pretty much done. I'm just going to tear up some basil. Doesn't have to be fancy, just rip it up and mix it through. I'm going to bring the pasta over. I'm going to start to spoon the pasta into this sauce. I'm going to get a little bit of pasta water in there as well. A good grating of any kind of Italian hard cheese, really. This is parmesan. You could use pecorino, whatever you can get hold of. Bit of black pepper in there as well. And let's have a good toss in this. So it's a matter about just plating this up now, making it look really pretty, but it smells incredible. So let's just plate it up now. So, generous portion. Get those carbs in. And a mountain amount of cheese. Very generous. I mean, just tell me when to stop. I mean, no one's told me to stop yet, so I'm just going to keep going. Some black pepper on there. I've saved a few of the smaller basil leaves, scatter them around, just to make it look pretty. You eat with your eyes before your mouth, so considering it's budget, it just doesn't look budget, does it? Looks like some Bella Italia would charge 17 quid for. Maybe if you want just a little bit of shine to it, Just a little drizzle of olive oil. And there you have it. Bon appetit.